Sesibuyile futhi take siyabonga kanjalo sekuphinde kwabanjalo. Welcome to it. This is Against the Wall. Asiyeni kuphi Hollywood. Bet with 2 rand more on the selected Evolution games to win 100 free spins. To jump into this, go ahead and click the link pinned on the comment section below. To get started, if you are new on this one, use the promo code SKWEM to register. Also, Hollywood Bets has a great welcome offer of 50 free spins plus 25 rand bonus when you spin up. But please remember that you must be 18 years plus. I urge you, you must be 18 years and older to participate on this one. And it is so important that you always be responsible. This is an awesome deal, so don't miss the good luck. And don't forget, the competition, it ends nyalo nge 31st zika December 2025 as we go back to the episode. Mary's born child, Jesus Christ. Uyazi lo ngoma brobongs? Was born on Christmas Day. Ngiphethe umfundisi vandag. Ngikufaka ngengoma, but umfundisi ulindo ngengoma. I've been waiting, brother James, Luca. Now this man served me, I served him.
Yes,
we served together.
Yes.
Le kwa ranamane, le kwa mapena. What if ukubani head that time mokona?
Ukumapena
ungena sekangene orana mano bamsa juvenile
yes
areskim dibosho osikathe pasibosho sifanga Satan dibosho mona never udi change ka ufela scheme wena etsa sigobo sa ha ucheke card ya utlwela le dibosho tse grace and peace emakhaya siyabonga man. It's about that time, say happy Christmas spirit. And we know ukuthi umoya kaThixo is hovering all over the place because abantu bakwile sikhathi nalo ngaphana uyaphana. So hug somebody, love somebody. Mhlawumbe uyimamele lento sefonini khona odlulayo umhage umtshela ukuthi so scheme anguhage because ukwathanda la ekhaya. Leadership, how have you been mchana post prison?
Yes. Mfethu ngiyabonga. Thank you very much for hosting man. Yeah. Phansi phezulu.
Yeah.
Leka kopanya kuphilo. Hlanganisa ubamba la uyeka.
Yeah.
But fortunately the grace and the favor.
Yeah. Come on, yes. Emrena, when I kopana when every time when we woke up early in the morning, James Luca, all the time, don't I Bible shele ngitala uthi amlechifaya. Awumtholi makwenziwa into ezirong lapha. Ne. Yabona ka the last days. Lina before gitlobitsa gitlovaya. No, I was really inspired. Ayili wena ilisiyakamela. Abantu engibazi kudala abayibambe kanje bamba online. Lo amampela ayilokubeka isavana la. So now what kept you going, brother James? Because batubagodi danyana, now we are talking the Christmas spirit. So and I know we've got nothing to show. When a time early demotivated, demoralized, it discouraged. I understand ukuthi liyaphuma liyashona lela abantwana yobabhayela ngani impahla ngayo omunye uqeda kuphelelwa isipanda labantu chief base jiving wena uyibambe kunjalo ungarayidanyana. So isibotshwa because you touch something on ukulahlekelwa abantu usejele baphele nya chief ngesikhathi seChristmas ejele chief iboshwa ziphila kanjani. What's happening in this season?
Ngizokusho mfethu uyabona during this season mangibeka njengomuntu wathola umusa kuhlukile nomuntu ongekhombisini ngoba like for thina isikhathi esikanje in Christmas we normally because we had a church ngasho ngibeke kanjalo we had a fellowship with the fellow brothers ngaphakathi. Normally isikhathi esikanje we normally besisebenzisana nabafundisi abaningi from outside whereby we encourage and isicele nakubo ukuthi ngesikhathi esikanje njengoba we are celebrating the birth of Christ and then babe nendlela ukuthi whatever that they can contribute so that we could have i-service sinakekele nalabo abanye abafethu abangathola ama-visit ngoba kumhlungu nafethu ngoba uyazi isikhathi se-Christmas everyone isikhathi lesiya ukuthi umndeni yahlangana ngalesikhathi omunye umuntu usithola usendaweni enjalo, you don't have any support, you don't have now ibandla belizama ngendlela eziningi ukuthi accommodate abafethu abazithola ukuthi like banana balahlile, there's no anyone for them. Big ups kubafundisi abaningi, you understand that the likes of abafundisi bebenokuza, the late of Babu Shabalala, Abu Mamsono from Dobsonville, the likes of Mama Shiko, they will always come and then have a ear bangas being eliso lokuthi siboshwa senzeni samosha sayizana, but bayenza indlela ukuthi i-Christmas mood abantu babalekele enkosini ngaleso sikhathi so that they can be able to get to that moral and support. Yeah, normally we host services, sibe nama present, sibe nekunye kungathi siyaphekanyana, siyacela lapha senzele ukuthiza ama present enyana. Uyabona ukuthi just the mood, you understand ukuthi abantu bangabi nalento ukuthi ishe mhlambe bumbela ngasikhathi ngisekhaya nomndeni wami, and then look where I am now, you understand. Yeah, ngasho kanjalo ukuthi besi celebrate kanjalo mfundisi.
So now when ukhuluma ngabantu abagciniwe and abahamba emuseni.
Yes.
Now the people who live nihlala nithi abantu basezweni.
Yes.
So umuntu oyiphilela kahle kodwa no mina ngisha inumber ngale season le umehluko ke manje kuba yini laba ke bathi bona vele hayi noma yini manje because ijele kule time ke frustrate abantu khona ke ngoba abantu bafuna izinto ngenkani. This is where they prey on this vulnerable women bababiza ngama Facebook and stuff. So njengoba wena ungapha kule faction engapha mawuhleli ungapha kule window kule curtain ubheke lawa bangaphandle kwenzakalani ngale emhlabeni.
Mfethu ziyabuya. Ziyabuya. Ziyabuya to such an extent. Frustration yazi mfethu noma ungaba ngale ne. Sonke mfethu kunalapho siphuma khona before sungena la ejele. You understand? Imndeni iminingi bethu imndeni nethu we are from ama families whereby athandazayo noma kanjani awukho umndeni from a black child noma kanjani baba awukho umndeni ungana background yokhuleka. Now uzobona ukuthi masifika leso sikhathi ukuthi amadoda aphinda akhumbula ngoba thina every extent besimemeza cell to cell church ariyembo ntata arengelo rapele yabo irrespective ukuthi ume kanjani but besiba nendlela ukuthi siyabakhuthaza siyabaduduza abafethu ukuthi bafethu into zenu izozenze yabo siyazi ukuthi abanye bafuna ukudlala idiski abanye bafuna ba busy bayenzeni but sithi asiqaleni nje enkonzweni nje usothola nje ukukhuthala uyangalesene but you'll find that ukuthi majority beyiza mfethu yazi ilabo nalabo bazothi hayi mina bengakhonzi ngaphandle wangimele ngizokhonza ejele ibheko uyangalesene but majority abanye abantu bebakutshela ukuthi noma kanjani iChristmas service we are going to church irrespective whether I don't church during the year, but in a Christmas service, I don't miss that point because ukhumbulani bayakhumbula lapho baphuma khona ukuthi kahle kahle mina ekhaya ngakhula vele sikhonza. Yeah, we normally encourage them. Isikhathini esiningi abafethu abangakhonzi yabo.
Yeah. Let's talk about the prison warden because all the time we accommodate only ex-inmates, parolees, probationers. Let's talk about Lababa Free Mara, they incarcerated together with us, meaning the Brown.
Yes.
So in the eyes of i-Orange, Manibegu Brown, ngomusa kaNkulunkulu nosindisiwe, when you look at the prison warden, what goes into your head? Mawumbukela ngena, iChristmas mena ubuhleli nabantwana bakhe nani, ngapha ngenzeka bomgwaza on that day.
Mfethu, uyabona, I would say, esikhathini sami ngasho mhlawumbe ngikhulume ngesikhathi sami, ngakhuluma ngesikhathi sakudala.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ngesikhathi sakudala buhlukile. But esikhathini sami ngesikhathi ngiseva my sentence.
Yeah.
Mostly abo Brown, okay, bakhona aba negative abo Brown yabo, but abo Brown abaningi bebathanda inkonzo do bebenza nje babe nathi they were encouraged ukuthi but they know ukuthi isonto liyakhona ukumbamba umuntu liyakhona ukuthi umuntu nimbuyise emakhaya ngoba nabo abafuni stress ukuthi sekuyagijingiswana kuyagwazwana kwenzakala ngoba obviously yazi ukuthi umoya omubi uhlala ubusi isikhathini esiningi ngenxa ukuthi awufuni ukuthula. Now they will always have a way ukuthi ba encourage ukuthi sikhonze because they know exactly ukuthi hayi yazi iboshwa mazikhonza ifuna ukuba ngconywana than ukuthi nje ukuhlalo nje ungabi ne direction yabona. Yeah, abanye most of them they will come and partake with us, especially ngama Christmas because obviously they are there, they have to protect. They are basemsebenzini, but the only way indlela ukuthi sometimes babe nathi okay kuzoba nalabo 1 2 3 aba negative. Uyangalesi yazi vele ijele linjani kunalabo baba vele nje bazokutshela ukuthi bazokutshela wena ngesonto yabo. But majority of them I will say they always support. Ngibona ngathi umusa kakhulu because we always pray besikhuleka mfethu sikhulu sibakhulekela ngoba if you don't pray for the leaders obviously the direction izolahleka. That's why every time abafundisi they will always encourage for you need to pray for your leaders because masibakhulekela ngoba yibo abantu abaphethe ikhiya zalapha ejele. Now if lo muntu afika nje aphethe into zakhe kuyamosheka you understand but I will say majority of them 65% they were so supportive and then we fellowship with them during our Christmas services.
Brother James Luka, can you kindly paint a picture of a church in prison?
Yeah.
Batho abangata banalo icheka ntwe ba re no awuna ntwe serious ko tronkong icon and umoya kaNkulunkulu awuhlala endaweni engcolile ijele isikhoko isodomi yonke lento uhlala njani umoya kaNkulunkulu sekuthiwa siya echapel so people don't know ukuthi khona indawo kuthiwa ichapel people don't know ukuthi khona indawo yokufellowship people don't even believe ukuthi namabhayibheli akhona or newaphakiswa banipho namabhayibheli. Can you paint a picture of a church in prison gore ke eng kereke ko tronkong le kena la ko kae le apara di orange and then ba Zion ba apara jwang bona if una le bo shembe ba kena la ko kae le bona ko same chapel or ba kena ko kae?
Okay ngithanda kancane nje sibuyisela kancane emuva ukuthi mina isonto ngalithola kanjani nje. Remember njengoba ngishilo ukuthi siphuma ngaphandle vele bese singalaleli isonto sayi kwezinto zakho usithole vele sobushiwe yabo. I remember ngoba mina ngikhuzukile ngetrial mfethu yazi mina ngitrial 4 years 4 to 5 years ngivaya amajele ngisho almost boma 9 prisons ngetrial in KC1 because of the magnitude of the case ngendlela bengakhona because it was bathi plus anfang ihlanga samabhunu ngoba vele mina ingamla vele bengine problem kusho ngakhula la
phela wabona njalo ku against the wall bar scheme ke uthwa kereke batla uthwa crime it's a Christmas spirit re aya go crime litlotla never ke mutedele Bra James asofikimo.
Yeah, then how I got saved I was in Kronstadt ngiyakhumbula vele ngisaseyintwana. Then every time mfethu eseleni mangihlushwa enye into ngayazi yabo angilali mfethu ngibona into ngazithuli yabo ngivusa abajuze bafethu niyabona ukuthi uhambani yabo abajuze bathi yini wena ngathi ngithi madoda kunento la inokuhlupha nje ukuvuka inokuza nje ukuvula ingubo zami manje ibheka ngithola ukuthi into le moya ngokho understand yabo and then one day silokhu sidlala iludo la uyazi ke iludo uhambisa isikhathi ayi mani ngiyacabanga ukuthi every time ebusuku ngigidle abantu bayalala mfethu mina ngigidle lento ihluphana nami iza kimi ngiyazi imhlobo yini into emfishane or ineyinwele ngazazi kwenza phakathi edanyana Kronstadt and then angakhumbula ukuthi emamovini ubona bathatha iBhayibheli yabo ngathini ukuvimba lezi zinto nyana ezimikhulu yabo kunenye time benokuzwakala la lethi inkonzo la mina ucela iBhayibheli la mfuthe bengicela iBhayibheli bakhuluma isuthu ke kana tati mruti man ko iBhayibheli nyana unanthunyana enhlupha manje maybe I understand ngithatha le Bible bengilala ngale Bible ukuthi at least izohambisa lomkhulu mina le moya ndoda hayi baba awuzo enye iGideon ncancanyana njengathi iblunyana kuyafana wale masiloku sedlala iludo la namajita manje mangithi ngibamba la engithole ezinye izinto zifakiwe impahleni zami angazi kanjani kwenzakaleni sikhiphe lezi zinto ushise lezi zinto sengiqala ngiyayisontweni yabo ngitshela umfundisi athi awunotla ngwana kotorapele. It's how I got saved. It's how I get a relationship noNkulunkulu because of like there was no any place for me to ukuthi ngabalekela kuyo and then mawuthi uyabheka amajida ngapha sathendi case babona ngathi ngathi wena isinyama lo hayi mina nkaho kinsa but wena ke uthola ubuntunya sesina kusho that's why sathule bubhayili tshena wetsala nka yabo. I went to church. It's how I got saved. And it's where I started to ukuthi fellowship ngathendi so because after malungithandaza at least lento ngathi nokubalebaleke yabo ngabona ukuthi lento ngithandaza ngathi namandla uthi ngibambe la ngoba at least ngathi yazama ukususa lo moya. It's how I got saved and then we moved for different places ngafika in layoff. I remember kwasitube sinalento ukuthi kuyakhonzwa izathi bayathandaza abantu abobushiwe angithi manje umqondo ukuthi siphume mfethu ufuna nje ibhayili mangaphuma the only way ukuthi batla ujetsa hayi no rapele yabona isutshela ukuthi mfethu mangingathandaza mase ngiyibonile lento ngathi yasebenza yabo. It's how mangifike layoff we started a home cell but besikhonzele eseleni like ikhonini imbhedo umunye umuntu sihlala lapho siyakhola siyacula ingoma ezithunyana kunobani ngathi saka nelwazi kancane uyathandaza lapha isilu kusafunda I don't have any idea iBhayibheli nje uyayivula nje lapho ubone khona ufunda khona asika understand ukuthi kuhamba kanjani yebo but it grows but and then kwaba nalento ukuthi sinabo brother up Tammy Aphani I still remember brother yes he was the founder of the church in Layoff and then he recruited us abona that mina ngithi ngiyazi ukuthi why ngisikhuthelele kangaka abachoose bathi wena kire mina thwela la nthusa kwana lona litsebi nix yabo manje ubuningi bethu obvious makumqondo sikhulekela ukuthi uyangaphandle yabo endoda siyakhuleka lapha esathendi isonto every Sunday kuye esontweni ekitchen kuyakhonzwa but abantu abakhonza kakhulu ebayagwetshwa skini life 25 30 abantu basebasabuka esontweni batakerekele wanyiwa mfethu manje nami ngiyabheka ngithi manje silapha silabo brother Mbatha amadoda akhulekayo and worst part about this thing babeka abantu izandla abantu bathola amabhili abantu bayaphuma and then ngalesikhathi thina engathi siphambili inyana kugwetshwa thina iyasho izembe baba angithi ngiyayibheka lento ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani abantu bara akerekeli bathi abanye sebahamba nje ngoba vele amabandla ahlukile njengoba ubuzo kunabantu abakhonza iZion banendlela yabo esizitsisi kanjalo yabo abantu sebayaphuma kule bandla lethu baye kulamabandla amanye ngoba bona ziyabuya ama leaders ayahamba kali baba madoda lifika la kimi izembe baba haqa izembe 19 yo lento siyakhuleka sikhandezela mfethu beqala ukubona ukuthi umkhuleko kunamandla ukhulekela umuntu lento ukuthi abakuthi badiya bathu ayikho bakhona mhlamba ababudiyayo but mina ngabona abantu bakhulekela isiboshwa sikhulekela isiboshwa siphuma demon kwenza lento ngithuke nami ngithi kanti ngithe kwenzakalani manje you understand ngabona amandla okuthandaza lapha it's whereby ngakhula but manje izembe liyasha ngapha iyahamba bathola ama life baba abafundisi bakhwetsha kakhulu lafika nakimi izembe black 19 Hulpent but azangilahle mangifika ngifikela kubo Bra Pace lapha na amadoda ayakhonza uChipapo Bra Pace Chipapo ngafikela kubo man kuyathiwa azi into yokuqala sifika nje ngestimela yazi mawufika nje ngestimela ngabeka imthwalo yami ngihamba ngayachapha eMahangi bokukhonzela eMahangi lapha eHulpent I went there and pray bangikhuthaza abafithi wathi ungadangali mfethu uNkulunkulu dede azimini ukulahlile yabona uma uzibona ukuthi ubokhuleka nikhuleka labantu baphola evele kwakhuleka indoda sezini ngakhumbula isto saka sezimo that man bekano usisi wakhe agulela ukufa damali he came to church wathi ngicela unikhuleke lo usisi wami is far away in Zim I believe umthandazo ungayenza because ngibonile kule bandla kule nhlangano yalamadoda ahlangana yakhonza akhulekayo ukuthi umkhuleko ngamsiza uyazi bayakhuleka mfethu the following week we get the report ukuthi usisi uyaphila le you understand you know like lento bisimotivate kakhulu but alile kulishwa izembe ba then when I arrived in Hulpent fellowship with abafethu mina bangamukela abafethu mfethu bambo uNkulunkulu sanamandla and which is nami bengilunginayo that hope and faith ukuthi noma sokwenzakele yabo but I believe ukuthi mhlawumbe kunalapho uNkulunkulu asisa khona you understand choose wambe kangalifuni isonto athi kwena ntswetsa Riqine rikamona azilento mfethu you understand nami sinyangabaza somehow yabo susithola ungathi ibalento ngathi yiyo ngathi ingahlisa umlilo kwenzakalana but we fellowship naye wasindiswa and then get the ministry that side in Hulpent okay bungana nix besikhonza nje sithina sikhonza ngizandla cula nje amadoda nje ahlangena akhuleka ayacula and I said no man why can't you do lento sibonayo le badlala ama keyboard badlala ama drama benze siyenze nathi lento it's possible but wena ke drone committee lalela la uNkulunkulu akahluleki uNkulunkulu uyenza indlela lapho unganandlela khona I remember we went to recreation sawucela keyboard no one knew how to play abesidlala ngekey one baba until the church grew to such an extent we had iband ephelele kanti kunabantu uNkulunkulu ababekile phakathi kwe section they can play some of them bokwaba emakhaya kunamabandla basihlile you understand that now bebangazi ukuthi bazovela kanjani the ministry grow we had a nice team of praise and worship whereby nabafundi bangaphandle mabafika they were so shocked but hey we never expect this in such a place lento ikubuzayo ukuthi ngabe bathi ijele kunomoya umubi uNkulunkulu ngithi uyabona khona lapho kulapho uJehova ashintsha amadoda kulapho uNkulunkulu avakashela amadoda ngoba isimo esakho sometimes ungacabanga ukuthi isimo sokuthi sokubhedisa empilweni kanti isimo uNkulunkulu kulapho kumele afinyelele khona ngoba you know what ithi iBhayibheli inkosi Hosea when he dies ngabona uNkulunkulu kunesimo whereby esinokuba sibi you understand but kanti uNkulunkulu lapha afuna ukuzibonakalisa khona yeah it's how we started fellowshipping. Then okay ijele kunamabandla ahlukile kunabantu kuyakhonza impahla zabo zenkonzo maye mhlawumbe ungene Z bakuvumela ukungena nabo banendawo yabo akhonzela kuyo apostol kuna ngokuhlukahluka yes in Muslims kanjalo yeah and then it's how I grew up ukwazi uNkulunkulu we started ama Bible studies. And then we do theology, senza ama theologies now sukulapho you understand ukuthi iBhayibheli ihamba njani kufundeka kanjani yabo and then kulabafundisi very powerful men of God that they can preach to such an extent. I remember a certain story there was a church beyifikile iphuma esibukeni kuzabo mama bebeza ngamabhasi amabili they came to say bazosikhalisa yabona bazosiduduza but mabafika they were shocked bafika bathola abantu abasemuseni abasemandleni you know that church bachincha baguquka basindiswa bonke isibandla lahlukana emphakathini ubishop wathi mina ngithatha lo Jesu waliboshwa lo Jesu waliboshwa unamandla wenza imanga then the other one bahlukana I'm still saying even namanje ibandla lalo bishop ibandla labazalwa abasindisiwe libambile baba ukuya phambili now it's whereby ungabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu akakhethi bafu akunakuthi ukuphi okunjani. Yeah.
So umuntu uyasindiswa ejele aphile impilo ahambe ekhanyeni without ukuxuba ukumixa nokuthi ngibekwe isigwebo iboots entanyeni ngikhuleka umkhuleko wena uNkulunkulu angizwe
yes mayiqala izoqala ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi unokubalekela lezi zinto zama gangster ukuthi I'm tired of this ngoba lento akusizi ingifakile isigwebo phezulu kwesigwebo ngoba obviously yazi ijele kwenjani uzozikhanda uselu yi1 bakucharge abalo bakufakile isigwebo ngeke uphume yabo abanye abafethu bathathina sesikhathele yabo sifuna ukuphila impilo right mhlambi kisizama indlela ukuthi uzele esontweni and focus uzele esigela zama ukushintsha impilo yakho ngoba kunabantu abakulindile ngaphandle uyangunderstand ngoba sashiya abantu ngaphandle uyangunderstand now asukuthi esikhathini siningi abantu abanye banokuqala kanye ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ngifuna ukuhambisa isigwebo but imbambe insindiso uyangunderstand ngoba sinokuza sitshela nabanye ngithi manje esontweni abafundisi banokuza nabo sisa aba right uyabona umuntu nabo ma 10 years wakufuna ukubona abantu aba right manje uya lapha esontweni ukuthi at least mhlambi mfethu ngobona abantu abalo ngizothola ama number ngithola umuntu unyano right yabo ufike lapha na uye sothanda ukuthi mani lapha kumnandi lapha bebathanda ukuza kule yabazalwane yazi why akithi abazalwane baletha ubusista right abantu mangaphandle manje abapostoli umini abaletha abayitolungu basuma zeke la
nabosheha baletha abantu
bahlala yabo bathi batla yani siyakule hayi bazi rena libayethi bese badonsa kanjalo kithi sithi sinabavakashi kule viki bathi baphuma ngithi
nalomntwana wasechurch omuhle wani
zonke izibo shaba Shamsibo yazasika sibe izakhe ziboshwe ezinhle iboshwa mfethu anginokubona namanye isingi ngiyazibheka ngiyabona ukuthi hayi ngaphandle ngapha malisi ngathi siyabothokanyana silanga liyashisa mfethu amadoda yakunda I need abona bosisi bathi hayi madoda nilasi siswela kangaka ngaphandle manje most of the people they will go there with the intention of to getting mhlambe abantu nyala bazobaphushisa kanti imbambi insindisi understand ukuthi they even can listen to their testimonies pick up ukuthi abafethu bebaye nje ukuthi wenza uganga kanti uNkulunkulu indlela azobabamba ngayo yabona
right sibuyele emuva ke manje bra James I think we so far in the first half we've laid a foundation and people understand manje ukuthi insindiso ikhona ejele bakhona abantu abakholwayo and bayiphila lento so uNkulunkulu uyabasebenzisa abantu ababhaya bayabona bayaboniswa bayakhulekela abanye abantu so ngifuna ukuyongena kwi life yakho ke manje before iprison because bowuphila nawo uhamba the way uhamba ngakhona ngoba kahle kahle bengithempted ukukhuluma about abantu and playing church because bakhona ama-Muslim bayangena because uthola irasula better bayangena because ukwazi ukuzula bayangena ngoba kuRamadan siyohlala somewhere ngayi kumzethi kuyaziwa mangithi igedlela lami alingene ngoba angifuni balithinta igedlela lami nani le imoko lezinye ke mhlambe the negative ezenzakalayo but under i false pretense ye church what are those things mhlambe ezibakhona ezenzakalayo mara abantu bayifihle ngenkonzo phela kambe imoko lokwakhona lapha
yeah kona kuningi wena bafo like for example abantu abaningi isikhathi esingi babheka igawulo uthi ngiqale ngikudla
yeah
remember uthi ngenza umzekelo mawukhonza mhlambe kaShembe Shembe kunokudla bakuphekayo baziphekele ngendlela diet right yabo mhlambe umunye ukhonza Muslim nawe ikudla kwabo diet right yabo then abantu abaningi sebabheka ukuthi ayi sengizokhonza mhlambe kule bandla ngenxa ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ayi lapha yana kuwonke masakhane kuphekwa nje udoti at least ngizodla right la asukuthi mhlambe umuntu uye lapha ukuthi uyakhonza ubheka ama benefits
yeah
uyangunderstand itrol ukuthi itrol enjani uyangunderstand lapha niyakhona ukuthi into zami zambe right abanye ilendlela ukuthi mhlambe njengoba usho na ukuthi ama Ramadan isikhathi lesiya ukuthi soba mnandi so serve into ezi right uyangunderstand ileyo nto but esikhathini esiningi like it ayibokuntswembu ngoba thina sidla lapha yana mfethu thina siyasakhuliswa ngaleyo nto ukuthi neBhayibheli ukuthi ukungena ngapha kumbulala umuntu ekuphumayo uyangunderstand now most of them amajita yileyo nto nokundama ama benefit abatholayo ukuthi kule bandla elithizo mhlambe to this engasho ukuthi congregation kunento engazi ukuthi izongibenefita for mina yiyo into esikhathini esiningi suka lapho hayi nokuthi mhlambe selengena kuhlala nje ama Muslim uyangunderstand abhenywa akwezweni kune order yabo kahle kahle ukuphusha into zabo abanye but abanye bayakhonza street kunabanye abakhonza mfini namhlanje sihlangana nabo ngaphandle basayibambile abanye nje bokulahlisa ukuba kufihla ikhanda because abona ukuthi ayisimo ngaphandle kuyabanda ngaphandle awuthi impenge zami ukuthi ngibambe la uyabo and then I still remember I remember makukhuluma ngendaba yenkonzo sike saba nenkonzo enamandla man yazi ngiyabonga ngifuna ukuyibonga lento yakhumbula you once bring abo uBishop Dube
Benjamin
yes wasenzela inkonzo enamandla and then yazi yaguqwe khumbule kwasindiswa amaphoyisa angakanani most of officials basindiswa manje ngithanda ukubonga nabafundisi ukuthi ningadangali nikhuthalela kuye manje yazi ukuthi kunokuliwa abafundisi banokuzithola basesimweni singokho right because of vele indawo inokuba nento ijele alikho mnandi uyangunderstand just nje the grace it's upon labo abamthanda uNkulunkulu kuyaliwa lapha nabafundisi sometimes banokuzithola nabo basebabona ukuthi isimo lesi anyeke mina ngisaphinda ngibuyela la uyangunderstand but siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi abafundisi banokuza ngoba their effort nemsebenzi abayenzayo really proves and then ama results are right. Yeah.
Let's talk about James Luka, BC, before Christ.
Yes.
Who is James Luka? Sesingena kuya against the wall manje. Nuke manje ke.
All right, okay. Mina bafethu igama kahle uChester ne?
Yeah.
Kahle legama usifuba.
Yeah.
Igama enganikwa igama lekamkhulu. Babami he said no liyahlonipha leli gama.
Yeah.
Ngoba ekathanda ukubheka Bhemi Chesterfield wathi isa Chester Chester lengane ngoba leliya kumele isithi mkhulu alibizwa nje yabo yasazi izinto zasekhaya. Then I grew up in Everton. I was born in Everton. Angikhule eGrant yabona but uyazi isikhathi masilusiya bengilalela hip hop. I used to listen to hip hop kakhulu. Hip hop manje yazi hip hop injani ukufaka ubugangster ubona ukuthi hayi manje hayi singitaka yabo. And then finding out ukuthi okay somehow you need to now live up to that standard. Now live to up standard uthola ukuthi awukhona ukuthi ekhaya ba afford lezi zinto ozifunayo ngoba lapha yana ngalosikhathi lesiyana ukusashawa ama caterpillar amafubu ezinye zadure ekhaya but you cannot afford to take lezi zinto. Hayi nami siyabona ukuthi manje pressure ngapha ukuthi nami kumele ngivelele yabo and then where we started utinyana obuncane uqala kanjalo yabo ukudlama zami kuphanda sokuhlanga nezinye uyangunderstand lento ilukuyakhulu yabo mina I started to own ikara nga 17 ekhaya babona ngipaka ikara ngaphandle bathi wena imoto kabandle ngathanya ibokile kamngani wami kanti avele bese kushubile sengene kwezinye vele orange farmer vele ngiphethe zasefama obviously Everton small farmer vele kuyashesha bangibiza intwana encane bathi ayashesha fast ngoba mina bengalindi ngoba angithi ngifuna vele ukuthi ngithathwe lekhanda obviously strateni mafuna ukuthi they should consider you need to be fast so that they can recruit ukuthi ama lentwana lesefrustana sencango lentwana iright inze ifast ngakhona ukwenza you understand it's how I grew up ngama rank in terms of phanda okay mina angazi ntshontsha imoto mina bengazi ukubhathula imoto akustart imoto ngentamba ngiyazi ngibona ngathi ngimosha isikhathi ngibona ngathi lento uzazuboshwa lokubhizi
Muruti bana
yeah you understand and then ilesikhathi orange farm bongangena orange farm bongangena in company car icar truck Coca-Cola bezingangeni the way orange farm be aggressive ngakhona and then manje ngifeatures angara ziphume sowethu izibalekile ziyashisa boma Israel obviously orange farm bekhona ukuhabinate igiving iningi from different places now obviously nathi abheka kuyashuba and then it's how I grew up ngama Rex in terms of phanda sesiboshiwe yabona first ngaboshwa first arrest time it was 1999 I remember and then asaphuma ngamabhili siyintwana ezincane uyabona sisiyaxolelwa lapha yana ukuthi sibizwa abazali you understand and then kanti ayisukile baba kuya le phambili wathola ukuthi hayi sokunjalo and then manje level siphezulu kakhulu ngoba sengibona imali sengibona ukuthi imali ekhandwa kanjani and then for me ukuthi kumele ibukubuku lingene ejardini ekhaya mama athi ungasizi la ngoba sophile enye impilo ungayi-understand uyangi-understand ungasaphindi wabona ukuthi kumele obviously ngihlala estradini ngihlala la sesicashe la nini uyangi-understand it's how it started
yo right leading to the big day because ukhulume nge-19 years so nayi interest la ikhona of course so you even lost count ukuthi so wenza into ezingakanani now lento uyibizile ngegama layo le mara ngathi inobu house ntontontoni ngesibhuna ngazi uyibize ini what was the nature of crime kwenzakaleni ngale 19 years
alright njengoba ngishilo ukuthi uyintwana encane usheshile ama-Hotman Aslam nama-Hotman man baneplan bayabona man ayi man lentwana leya yabo savalwe nye Hotman lathi bafethu man hayi man lentweni man thatha imoto olukubamba ama garage yabona senza intonyana zethu man hayi sometimes akunamali man lapho mina nganika into right sibuza into enjani right ngoba mina kahle bengithanda ingamla mina bengithanda vele ukumoshela ingamla indaba zokumoshela abodade ayisinsi kungasimqondo yabona ngibona ukuthi kumele seyaseroundini indaba ukuthi somoshela elokushini it's waste kumele imali silande balungini angithi yibo phethe imali umqondo lokuthi vela amabhuna athatha zabomkhulu siyazilanda manje siya reverse yabo now le Hotman liyazi vele ukuthi lezi vele into zazo ziphuma edropini uyangi-understand athi abantu bafana mami kunendawo kuphi Free State yabo and then bengicabanga unifishara sithi madalo kuhambani lapha time manazini amangamla lahlile man kade amavene and sinezinye zasezimi vele zithatha zithenga amavene saseMozambique athi amavene alahlile man ngalo sithi amavene man eneteka nokufika lapha ngithola kuma 4-5 yide ikhiya zikhona lapha ngithi musimanje njalo emnandi ngikuphi ndatha Free State mafethu sondelani nginisonde sishay round ngala soyibona indawo siscout teka kulahlile musla sidaya ulahlile la uyabona ukuthi hayi bafethu then akuna flop kumele sibangeni lokuqala sabamnandi sahaya sahola uyabona mnandi sengiphethula umanyiwa ngada amanyiwa ukhipha ipani simnandi unokutshela mama ngakuwe revat sabangena kamnandi uyangi-understand sesiyajwayela lento uyabona ukuthi ngada vele sesine round yethu imnandi vele kulapho nje sifudumala khona it happens then kulezo ngifaka eJivini angithi masijwayela ukuya ngada and then lo Hotman likhiphe number futhi manje kunendawo so la kunenyuku vela mangabla beka inyuku ngasendlini and then laphana singaba right yabona hayi before ubheka ukuthi kwenzakalani azezinye izinto skip ayisinokandamene ezinye izinto mfethu before ngishayisa ngekara zingishaya ihohle zasekasi yabona zingishaya ihohlo maziqeda ukungishaya ihohlo ayizani sengidumele ngishayeke ihohlo anginanyuku sithatha inyuku ngasendlini anginanix yabo and around in isikhathi esiningi besingathi nasingenzanga i-calculations sengiyiswe around in pressure ngisana focus but before that umama umunye wasePorch athi ngwana kwa lahle hethu ke arwait ke ngona le motho mongwe meeting ko Porch ke batla ke re ko lo sheba dithotsa o di thola ke mo ba ditsaileng ngithathi inja yami singene ekareni sikhapha vele uhlala ngara masifika la mo sifika kumunye uledi ngathi azigicida man masifika la siyazibromela idining room kumnandi ulili kudlala wrestling da ungigayinye ikhaphu nyana nje uthi inwamu yabo ikhaphu nyana khona uyayibona manje le air leli akudalanyana nje kunenye into angazi inda le mfowethu ayi sengoba ngifuna into zami sengitshela ukuthi ngiyaphuza la vele ngiyasifuna into ebezingidimazile baba yo ngiyaphuza manje ngiphuza hayi athi unoshebe fela lebotemo siloku siblomile ukudlala wrestling mangibheke ngilongithi ngibheka la on the mirror mule mirror na iqala iba iTV engaka screen yavuleka so yavuleka athi ubona ngirema ngibona bathu ngarabatsena koni ari babutse kibo mang bathi babutse uthi ngikhulume emule ngiyibona imovie abantu bahleli la but abanye abantu abayibona yini emunye yazibona lintwana athi ari kuyabona kiba bachwata ari babutse batlo chwata mbankenke hello le batla le chwata wabo kumele ngibathethise yabo manje bafuna ukubheka uthi utabile bawushebe angibaboni kahle yabo ari haba sawushebe babutse bawushebe take right shaba ngamona luna esifuna ukubheka ngiyazibona siyaphula kuhambe ngiqala ubona njalo mfethu kune magic enzakala la ngapha bavule ngiyabona lazithatha imphethe ivene yabona ari babutse bayaka mara babakhuluma their sound is like ngathi bakhuluma ngathi kwabona umuntu ngathi udayo angikhona ukuzwa ari sikabathwara kapilo babutse urubaka imunye yabona iveni kuyalasho iyaphuma iveni mangithi ngibona sabase tavern bayaphuza la yabo imuntu zami yabona iphathwe iveni ari no bese yenza imovie yashintsha imovie eseyakhatha leyo movie sokungena enye imovie S2 yo movie S2 sokuvela ngathi car accident yabo ingami zigidli ambulance angitholi mina ngibona lento engibona ngiyabatshela uhleli la yabo mamncane bekahleli lana awuthami ihleli ngibatshela leyo nto ngithi ngibona accident accident ayilo mama na abe confuse Ariana ungwetsa la house abona batho ba le kere batho ba basala sekibona accident ngibona na accident ngibona mina ama ambulance yabo man ngibona kilonsa ngijwisa amabhunu yabona libhama amabuka mag man no wait thinking utlamile robale you know because seems like kunezinto there's a danger upon your life it is ayimona imovie le ithi card emfike ngitshela iscreen singaka esibona singaka la screen sakho iyavuleka ngathi bicycle yadala yabona le bicycle yadala ithi James ngiyakutshela ay flopo ngigcine lapha ngibona ngijingiswa ngathi ngiyaboshwa amasoja ngitholi kwenzakalana athi ngigidle le out yami ngobe beshonelo ulady angimelanga lale ngaphandle kwathola ukuthi ngithi hayi mina sizobuya kusasa yabo singena phakathi kwekara sishaya imoto yazi endleleni manje makashaya imoto akudrive mina ngoba ngidizinyana ngitholi kwenzakalana mfethu ngibona abantu kudala ababhole endleleni abakhabathenga ama accident awuthemile ukuthi emajiremo nopathukiba emina bampunga abantu bafite kulama movie enzakala ngaphandle hayi ngifike eJardini
chief and bayaloya ke labantu laba babukela abaningi la yo bafuna lo mama manje lo mama
bathi abantu abashonela endleleni basho njalo kimi maka bampunga is like ukaba manje bafite hayi usibale ngithi musikabachayise akithena kaboni udrive imoto iyenzakala phakathi kwemgwaqo la le yo ayimona athi wena zama ukuthi yasithinyana ukugidla sikasheba screen wabo hayi sifike isigidle ayingwaridi manje ukuthi imali kahle kahle kwenzakalana ngithatha ikara enya uthami ishela ukuthi bafethe 4 weeks manje kunento ehamba manje yabo ngithatha ikara kunabanye abantwana kumele sibashiye efrendini fast yabo shaya ikara social abantwana angithi accident ku le drive le manje ngibone ku bicycle na imona bangamla ngishaya ingamla imoto yabona accident yo kwenzakalana ngithi ama ngiyaphupha kwenzakalana and it's few days ngicela ukuphuma la ngithi hayi man ngathi ngiyaphupha yabo obvious phakathi kwekara kunani
unepara
ibhama besingaka around besijahela kushiya abantu sithi shikara sibaleke no achuzi hayi mfethu
ikara straight
ikara straight but bengabhaliswanga ngathi yabo hayi sibaleke la simfethu kwenzakalani ngithi mfethu ngiyamfuna ukumkhumbuza ukuthi achuzi uyakhumbula le jive athi ntwana kuthi wena la lo makhriza kubonisa yona
ayisa
hayi akuna flopo ngitshele usister lami umamncane ukuthi athi mamncane kumele ubuyele le ngithi angizoyi uyazi strata mfethu kufuneka inyuku le hotman leli ya lithe bafethu le number ngali sheshile ngizonithatha mina maninganamoto hayi mawuthi athi mina sihambeke into lezakho hayi vele sishaya round sishaya imoto free state baba senza into yethu sibabambe siyasebalinda ngithi bayalinda labantu sifike esindaweni silinde bafisa siyababona ukhe uyaphuma amaboy amavene arichi ngami nakhona distance nyana sinama fair kicker sibabhekile sizuma yonke into okay siyastudy
Aphile amafilimini
grand but yabona kwenzakaleni wena scheme
Yeah.
that's kanyeni mina ngibona kunezinto ezinokuzu like emini ne
Yeah.
nokubona izinto ezinokuvumbuka nje ngathi lichithi ime mangiyabheka isekho ayo machita ngithi bafethu izinto ngiyibona amathi bathi wena uyashisa manje ingathi never mangithi bafethu izinto ngizibona understand yabo
Yeah.
but wena uyasithusa no ngithusa ulehle kochile yabo ngithi bafethu angishanga man niyaza ngishi man man kwenzakalani hayi silosilili da mangibheke emuva ngibona ngathi kunento ngibhekile mangithi ithi vuya nyamele
Ayothusathini uJames estudio.
Amathi bathemule yini ngithi hayi madoda athi ngisale kancane ngifuna ukusikhulula yabo bahambele phambili angisale kancane ngiyazikhulula la ngifuna ukubona ngifuna ukuyibheka ukuthi kahle kahle umqondo wami oyini mina mangithi is something like ngoba namatshe makungathi kwenza iphila ngamatshe yeah something like that iyavumbuka la ibe siyanyamela hey light ay amajita bayabona
Impilo yakho iPlayStation.
Bamini ngisukume ngiye kuba dawe la mfethu ushilo uzosibophisa yini kwenzakala ngedaya kuna floppers fine nizobona yimi ngizokukhuza up nini futhi ngishile nini sengizithathisa iblack mark lento yangwarisha yabo asifike hayi balahle singene sibalinde ngaphakathi bangene sibabambe kahle madam no father hawu neingane ingane sizibeke kahle lapha father sinika into ezithu afuna uqinisa azamabhuna nje atshela ukuthi akafro sibathi hey vante asibenzela amasi hayi evula amasivi keep ibhamu sithatha ibhamu kwamali kwa chain kwa yonke sithatha imoto yala angazi upress panic button kanjani la sesiyazi ngathi kusokuno button ecolor singayazi alarm color sicime sidala sukushubile but sophuma la ayikho nento sithathele izinto esifake eveni ishakara masithi siyaphuma kanti akiro mfuri baba ayayayay sishubile ngarazi yaphuma lezi amapoho amatamaga ngamaveni ke lamabhunu ayisishayiveni singena kwenye indawo sisikhonje khona amnandi sithi asiyolahlisa sophuma sesiphuma ngoba manje siyezomluku ngithi amakarol part khona ukuze imoto mayindlula afa ngathi basifune angazi ukuthi bathole kanjani information but mase sisecourt kulapho ngawuzwa khona bathi babuza labelusi bathi hayi iveni ingene la yazi bese lapha mngumfula emona ufula khona uhudi man emana siyabona nazi yeza sikhona babone ayisanisithi abafethu la kumele sizane ukushifta ku evidence sizame ukuthi sithi akanti basijampile azishayi baba yabona bathi sithi siyabuyisa siyabona thina madoda nyekusluku zibhaya endoda sidubula ukuthi singenelwa elikule futhi singathi ilwandle lento futhi umfula khona umkhulu angibona ukuthi hayi ngokhanywa amanzi la ikhona into kumele sizinikele ukuboshwa kanjalo sengibona sigcoka into zamasoja senyaboshwa umqondo uyabuya le movie yakhumbula
le film
shut
yo
kusho bebangona ukuthi mfethu ungayi kulezi zinto bheka manje boshwa kwethu vada ngithi bengithanda ukuchina
yes
athi dinayisiki Africa ayimole amapula namasemba everybody sifuna ukushaya wazenza lezi sifuna ukunyathela angazi ukuthi angifuni ukukhuluma mhlawumbe amavala angazi ukuthi I can say uzo ukuthi mfethu sifuna ukunyathela amazambane lezi sifuna like sifuna ukumoshela imbewu yo mfethu izasikhabatha mfethu hayi asanceda bokhata nabo bokhata bodaki yazi baba sabe yabo emuzise kahle bezifuna ukucisha angazi kwasala kanjani because bokuyizo kuphela ezinye uthi mona asibulani labantu yabona ezinye sithi niye masibeni kathi yabona ezinye sithi emrashenda abantu sibaqede amaphoyisa afike sesicedile angazi la kwaye uNkulunkulu nje wayenza ukuthi nje singasikhabathi asiboshwe off uyazi ke sukwindaba le ukuthi Geenpor niphuma kuphi confirm ama address hayi amabhunu akhala mfethu dala bakhala balimala ngala mfethu ngidayile 4 to 5 years mina ngamabungu amabhunu nje bayadu bayisicase manje off obvious aboshwa inyawo nezandla ama escort athi di Gauteng ngele kombir emaka mfethu icase ikhuluma ngeAfrikaans awuzwa nix ukuthi kuthanda and then nakhona ilawyer besiphetha ngaye Jozi yaya kayithiwa yathi mina ngisaya ngala intimidation ngale nama in a flop intimidation lapha yana labantu ba intimidate to such an extent ungasabuyi the judge it's Afrikaner chuchisi phoyisa phethe case kuthi lapha nje wena usosele nje wikafuru nje kuthi hayi lona kahlumela hambe mara
sabaorani ala bekhoti
yeah sabasogolisa bastralisa almost 5 years yeah after 5 years besingake besi 4 kwabaleka uqala achoose ukuqala wabaleka
from a trial
a trial yazi bebenze bebasihlukanisile ne abanye babeke mina thile bese Kronstadt ngaleso sikhathi and then abanye base Dennisville lo munye umfethu bambe kuphi kunenye ngabathi Welling then mase khoto siyalanda sahlanganiswa lo wakhona ukubaleka lokuqala boku state witness ke bese intwana ngalaye le Godman yabaleka yashona mayifika ngaphansi sasala si3 kwanze ukuthi masiloku si trial wa choose lo munye uthi 3 yabo ku rough 3 muzo unto lo makhuluma ngama rough 3 ngikhumbuza yena hayi bebaleka le ndoda yasifaka iflopile mfethu by case within the case mfethu mina la just nje kwathatha uNkulunkulu le out masifika bese reads like besingahlala endaweni e1 they took it to different places mabafika la wathola kunezinye zama rough 3 ngathi beziboshela ukukhabatha umuntu ziplana vele ukwenza ukubaleka usibale bekana ama rank enyana naye ngathi bajudana ke uyaunderstand bajudana ngindlela yabo then kwaba nendlela ukuthi babamba bukhada remember achoosing ukuthi thina bese bokwenzakalana mase court bebaslanda day before basibeka nearest police station so that you can be closer than court because bestrayela far away bebangafuna usibeka phambi kwasekhaya nemindeni yethu bengezi usibona bowuthola izinto ongazi siphuma kuphi and manje bese singathembi singadli yonke into ngoba amabhunu namfethi kahle kahle basifuna phansi you understand now le ultimate figure wahlangana nabafethu bajudana babo ngo 3 babamba bukhada laphana thina kusizitswe singayi yabo yes uzosivulela untana phethisa kaphethizele wavula ithi adeba sekunjalo yabo makavela ngepassage sithi siyahoba yasho izethu kanti ushawa ukhada bekesa ibhuno yabo yabona manje kumnyama labo ongana gesi it's confused ukuthi abiboshona zifuna ukubaleka abanye basaba ukuphuma yabo emuna sithi yaphuma emuna ngihlakana nomoya sakamshayile wes2 then mina ngabanjwa abanye bokhada bakomkhona batla ubali yabo ngithema mina bengizobunguza ukhaliphamu sikuvuliwe la yabo lo munye mfethu le khada lefuna ungidudu xa ukuthi yimi lo ngidubula labo khada ufuna ushaya mina ngazifihla ngalomunye ukhada ngikuthi ufuna umshaya ikhanda mfethu lapha ukubizwa bokhada kubizwa Welcome Kronstadt kwa visa iqwaqwa mfethu kwaba mfirifiri achoose market ukuphuma la masisuza story market ukuphuma uthola umfazi umlungu omshaya ikhanda statement thathi car gone kasi achoose maqala
yes
thina obviously sibaleka ngaphakathi lapha yana emukwenzakalani mfethu emona bas lezi ezara zathi bekangahamba yi1 ubunabo choose bafike nabo choose maka aba choose bangali esalando mfethu silando umuntu ngofezi ezingaka igoqa ndoda ngintwana nyana bade yasalu ekhuluma iqiniso ngithi hayi nina yasibindi nyala siyasiza mfethu ngathi hayi nina nithole iphi mina ungithola phakathi yeselo ngitshela ukuthi ngiyenzeni mina bathe wena achuzweni sathi cimeza zenza isekele kanje athi cimeza subisa phezulu mawufika phansi ntwana uzabe ukakile ngathi yazi ngasizwa yinda mina kunengikhathelisile ngathi mina ngi26 part kwejele mina ngibaleke ejele lo muntu obalekile rough 3 into yakhe yabo le khathela understand le language athi wathi sibone ngababonisi but ngathi mina into yami ngaphakathi angumuntu okubaleka mina lo muntu lapha abaleka khona ubaleka yi1 ngalo understand ngasindiswe ready
azangithi number leso
akala nginangithi from 13 to 29 isikhathi sokusethi angithi ngangena longiphuma until this case but ukhata lo hayi ubwaneti ba 26 sibabaliya baya ngale vele ngathi le ikhulumile ukuthi kile half 3 ujuna juta ama half 3 amango babali yazi bayenza lo bukhati bangithatha mfethu bathi uzobona choose yakho enzeni mangithi khata lale phansi ibhulu kapteni yenye khate daki emuna bathi emuna ahlanya amabhunu baba check icase ilezi yana ezenza ama kanjalo nje then kwenza ukuthi sokuyindaba ukuthi ekseni sehof sesiyashort sesi2 umagistrate wazibamba ikhanda wathi ariyele ibhunu azibamba ikhanda ngiqala umagistrate ujudge wazibamba ikhanda kanje sekawuzula ukuthi bayenza iflop izolo labantu futhi ngithi ntate can you focus can very great arisal great big up your cop esali bar training awuzathukane khota lele makaki be free state la Gauteng
yo
kwenze kushubile sesifaka amaketani isikatiwe indoda amaphepha ama newspaper kuvela masikhulume boma ini
yo
Kronstadt 2 Kulukutu maximum maluba yenza into ezingaka nenzeni into athi yosenzanga nix
yo
bathi hayi sonibhuka nina athi nenye ngilibone leyo dinibhukela into engayazi asiyazi manje umuntu ubalekile uhambile hamba nofuna lo muntu abalekile ngithole mina ngithole siyena to be honest vele thina untanga ujute nalabantu wazovula ngala siyaphona siphumanga sodwa siphume nabanye abantu bebangala sobhe ukuthi kwenzakalani and before azizenze labor sisilalise moshara ngagidle moshara that day after the time hey mama boo mabasket semoshara after baqeda umbuzo bathi bona choose okwenza basithatha no choose no choose amba silahle moshara mfethu umbuzo abantu batholele bafile angazi yingala angazi moshara yini le nto manje kunabantu abafile abala sasigilisa ngara ekseni savuka la off sifaka amaketani siyekhod into yenzakale weekend izovuka kuyi Monday Sunday yakhona Monday bengise se off siye khod abathanini indabeni ayikho afuna ukusise Cape bafuna ukusichatshela le case sithi obvious abanama merit uzongichatshela kanjani mina angitholanga nesibhamu
likhona nibaleka
asibalekanga just ukuthi sifele wa choose bathi no simsize kanjani ngoba lo muntu beyangali uthola ehlangana indaba bamfuna choose bamamthola washaya ikhanda wazibulala athi anye ngilungi ngiyengibuyelele mfethu sibuye ke silokhu siyathenda thina siyathenda until finally
Sele-2 manje
Sele-2 besi 4
from 4
yeah from Sele-2
phela kabuhlungu into yabodala
then kanjalo kwaba ilendlela sokuphuma mina manje hayipheli lapha kwaba nami indlela zami ukuthi ngiphume nami ngamokola ngendlela zami ngendlela right kwamokola ngaphuma ngaphandle kwashalwa choose
ngebail
hayi sibail moko bangilali wathi hayi indaba yakho indoda ehamba nga right ngithi kanjani wathi hayi siye baba siye futhi zangifune kusho la mina ngazi ngiphume right
murutu tlaetsa hore ho be le part 2 mo because how ya smogolo batho ba batla o tseba they start to finish utswile ba trombong and the story siteng nakla ka utla di demo tso testify hore ke tswile go trombong o mogotsi mango trombong muruti no man tsotsele go breaking once it's all breaking up ke Christmas sesivalile manje ba family no ihlalo yona mruti sikaphazamisa
yeah then zangibopha futhi zangilanda after ngilanda court I choose ke sisiya case my say we have tried sachincha amaloya boma 4 times there sakhotshwa ngenye Hotman iadvocate yasithembisa boku Brathani bantu kanti basibongisa kubuku umthuphi kodwa igama lakhe bekubani sakhotshwa ngake basigama 19 obvious 19 Groenpent you understand okay but the testimony benginikala ngayo leqala ukuthi sonto ilesikhathi vele sesiloko siya trial layoff it's whereby we saying ngakhula ngebandla I understand yathamba until got sentence then yes serve my sentence obvious Groenpent ayi mangifika ayiscale obvious umuntu makafocus church sometimes yamshape umuntu iyakususa man yabo kususa into eningi nawo khona ukubona ngendlela ehlukile yabo okay inhliziyo ibhlungu ngapha ayisanfit so kwenzakele went to church encouragement from fellow brothers emana go to school begin grade 11 I have to ukuthi ngenze matric yazi ijele ke siyabhalisa isigela laba uloke grade man 11 matric so wona phambili uyazifundela lapha obviously ngabhalisa isigela ngaphusha imatric yabo ngaphusha ngaphasa imatric yami uyabona at least nga register computer Kulukutu yaso siblomele Kulukutu push iskela then it's whereby after 5 years ngathi manje mina ngiyamove la it's whereby I went to Postback lapho sahlangana khona
saphela istory sika mfundisi ngathi it's a definite part 2 niyavota nina ke please vote mfundisi is a great storyteller because I want you to cover the issue as a prison because a prison kwenzeka igeme ezipha mfethu sihleli nabo Jason ngapha abanye bafaka amajalantiya ngapha ngabe 63 siyazi nabo bani ngapha ibhola ngapha igeme zalapha ziningi eBoxburg kube kuningi mfethu Christmas Day bazofuna ukwazi nabantu ba but thank you Muruti. Let's talk about the now la ukhona yabona we are saving the best for the future already abantu bayazi I don't like keeping them for too long kuwe ngabe ngithi 45 minutes bakhalile last what chief airtime yethu le chief noma ushaya episode ye 2 hours sizoyibuyela vie but ke asikhuluma ngade now Mruti mawusozophuma so ubhekene neAfrica ifamily Mruti, what's been happening? Uyitholile support na or bavele bakubheka bathi no lo uyasolakala ngalezi zinto family uyazi abanye bayajaja mhlambe you lost family members ibenjani I system dysfunctional?
Yeah, unfortunately scheme mina ngazalwa ngiwane yabo. I don't have a brother, I don't have a sister from both parents. And then fortunately people bebangisupporta bungabu mamncane abantwana baka mama, it's like the siblings from my mother's side. Yeah, and then obvious nabo banento zabo. They can't be always there for me, you understand? But at least they play that role whenever if I pick up the call, and then they bebakhona bebada. But majority abantu abangisupportile amabandla man, you know, big ups to abafundisi, you know. Yeah, uNkulunkulu abenze right. Yazi abafundisi they are playing a major role. Ekhaya besingasabahluphi mina. Ngalutho uyangana because we get our support from our fellow brothers. They besenzela yonke into. That's why nami whenever the call says we go to prison, I make sure to search because I remember ukuthi kunabanye abafethu that need help njengami, and then nathi sasizakala ngabanye abafethu. Uyangana abo mama bebaletha umkhuleko lapha, and they've adopted some of us, some of our fellow brothers baba adopt baze babatholela neindawo ngaphandle zokuhlala. So kuwe nje ngokuflopa kwakho. Uyangana uyangithola. But honestly speaking, yeah, the support I distepeka wena mfethu just nje uma ukhuluma nge part 2 mase ngithola idate ukuthi ngizophuma scheme sengiyazi ukuthi ngiyahamba next month angena amabhulu athi wena case wena Free State ayikhaya badumala kakhulu indoda ngine date ngiphuma ngale parole board yonke into zimnandi vele anginayi ama ijive nje buku ijive zamafoni yazi ke sezimokulekile into zimnandi I choose hambile parole board bafethu niyahamba next month yangena mfethu umuntu onroof ase Free State bathi hayi wena ndoda esiyakudinga le
yes
hayi ngawuze ekhaya bakhathala bathi yaqala phansi bafu ngayala ukuhamba kwashawa imemorandum ephethe iauthority ephuma from national ngayibona imemorandum ngisanayo icopy yakho if I'm not mistaken ukuthi lo muntu uyafuneka emune zithi Free State bangithatha yena wathola ukuthi kumele ngiqala phansi trial sengihleli iminyaka engaka sengihleli almost 14 ne yes uqala trial phansi case fresh babuze bafethu benoni nguphi ngoba bengisekhulupende wanangilandanga benze ngamabomu they are aware ukuthi sengizophuma amabhunu angilanda athi asambe ndoda sakufuna wena ne case yenye aqala phansi ngafika in Free State Hillbrown mangifika lapha yana ndoda wangibalela icase 2003 20 years back ngithe yakuphi le manje ngisakhumbula inamba bathi ndoda uyazi nina nayenzani nathatha izinto za worth bese worth about 2 something million and ngaleso sikhathi cabanga bukudala kangakanani qala phansi hayi bakhathala ekhaya cabanga bagijima isikhathi singakanani labantu
14 years
I was supported ngabafundisi mfethu namanje ngisasho they were always there. We raise money schemes advocate because obviously lapha besukuhamba race it was not all about ukuthi it was it was a matter of high labo daki bayabheda ayikho lena lo muntu magistrate the same judge ankweba mangifike court food athi J no Javier James emfethu ngwebi ikhanda ngezeka athi ngihamba ngepensionini mina ndoda kunini ngagweba lokhu ngisokolisa usesela futhi athi hayi mina ngifule case yakho uyahlupha wena amchuchisi boku student la ngathi besibabiza student but obvious he was junior at that time that night she's white sekukumama ugogo nayo siyabona ukuthi hayi uyakhula lo muntu no Javier kodwa ndoda hayi indaba kusoyibona remind akwahlanganiswa mfethu ayakhule sayikhulekela lento hayi kwafastwa mfethu kwafastwa lapha sabona amandla kaNkulunkulu you raised imali when the advocate befuna imali ngifune 15,000 ileyo mali ayirizwanga umndeni wasekhaya irizwe is the family of Christ that raised family of Christ that raised that money they say no this is enough and then I tried 9 months ngayo. And then after that case nje umusa kaNkulunkulu kwenza lesimanga lapha yana evidence is here everything bangitshela ngimino etholakele kuwine yalapho everything plastic yonke phele the case yokhuluma azimchushisi wathini athi kana mbiza la khbale Afrikaans athi hayi i-state siya withdraw from this case manje sithi wamangala ukuthi kanjani you guys in evidence ithena yonke into masiloku senza ama remind athi no the state decided to withdraw kanjalo nje zangikhulunywe nix manje sithi lo futhi ubumuntu omnyama yakhumbula umfazi wakhipha amazaza wakhe wabeka phansi athi ngicela ubona into nje athi angibheke emehlweni athi lento ohamba ngayo ingozi athi lento ohamba ngayo athi ingozi athi no angibuza umshushisi futhi are you for sure umfazi umlungu wathi hayi we withdraw abo kade baphelele mfethu evidences angithi advocate ethola copy of docket kunezinye izinto advocate ukuthi landlord angazi sizoyenza njani mfethu akhuleka mfethu sathandaza siyafasta uNkulunkulu ensimanga nje ngaphuma kanjani nama ngazi kanjani aphuma mfethu first thing phuma uvyas Nkosi yami I was invited by a few pastors to different churches and then the grace of God was always upon me angicabanga ngikhumbula umfundisi Mathebula from Chlorocop I was invited there msicela bengina few days cela ukuphuma ngisasidizi yazi ngophuma mfethu amfundisi wathi let's raise something for this young man they raised 30,000 for me in the church
Hope Restoration
Hope Restoration
pick up mjana le video meli hambe man Pastor Mathebula indoda enkulu
he said no this young man the story of this young man just I can see the favor nomunye time nathi where my kingdom builders asizamini ukuthi sincede this young man and then the other one raised 5,000 umetend it reached to 30 and then 30,000 afterwards they say mona ne package masufuna ukushada uzenje the church will do anything for you banka 30 that bathi uqala impilo yabo ngivana nabo besihamba C3 with my fellow brothers amahempenyana mfethu asese saqoka amahempenyana ngathi unonikiwe lapha ukuthi uncenge mfethu singene into lena lapha ngiyakhumbula ine shop emall le yasesowethu le dumile imaponya ngene with my fellow brothers bafitha asike sami sithulena ama trousers nyana sibe right umadoda sibe right nyana lapho uthi Christmas yesontweni the coming week ubona bonakala the grace of the Lord sathenga ama keyboard lapha started revival ministry so with fellow brothers with them that money sathi no because business movement ukukhuthaza abanye abantu that's my journey mfethu
you were faithful chief I think igrace ikulocatile and you deserve it because I'm one of the people abanga testify if bekuthiwa mhlambe sibhala ama testimonies ngawe I know for a fact because you served me I happen to be a chairperson of one of the biggest organizations lapha eChile making a difference generation and again nabo Tsepo gege and then saba ne church nabo Wandile and I remember even now before ngizovaya amachita bengawatshelanga zangitshele umuntu eJele and bengihamba Monday I went to church on Sunday mangifika ngayosha testimony amachita wa color blind the first time bezo ukuthi uskimu uyavaya eJele nga declare a church and then the following morning gone bengivaya. What a touching story. Definitely we are booking the second coming. The festive season you are spoiled for choice. I-content noma abuse bhanoyini uzofaka ama earphones wakho ulalele umrudi James Luka. Namhlanje we are fed. And manje lento dikhuluma isuthu lesi sipaqeme mara namhlanje nibambe ngesizulu ngoba uve nekhulu bavela bathi asibezwa ke bakhulumani ngiyabona lamandebele akhuluma language yayo. Nkulunkulu angigcinele nina man. Bra James Luka I know nisapusha because uthesha ne team and ni push ministry church niphinde nipush ministry eyomphakathi so please leave your numbers chief kunabantu abafuna ukwazi ukuthi lento ikhona kanjani kunomama osejele ohamba umntana kasedanyana ufuna lento loNkulunkulu kaJames Luka ukuthi uNkulunkulu kaChester uNkulunkulu kaSifuba ngathi angavisita umntwana wakhe edanyana so bafuna nje the how part ukuthi wena igrace yakulocate kanjani let's give them your numbers and then bese siyayigoqa ke sibonane ngokuzayo
ukunganyana nje before sivale by the way njengoba usho mfethu nami I've started my own company ngithulumusa man you know uNkulunkulu he does izinto ezikhuthazayo that's why I once said kumunye umuntu ngithi when you are praying you are investing prayer is like you are planting a seed and then when I was ngalosikhathi uyakhuleka and then you'll see isikhathi masiya ukuthi there's a favor somehow and then ile mikhuleko le you understand I've started my own company and then so far izinto they're like ziyakheka. There's a shape now. I can see the direction. Yeah, ngokusho kanjalo nje mfethu. Yeah, nami ngajabula whoever that can need mhlambe ongadinga ukuthi mhlambe simsize ngendlela ethize. Yeah, uhambe mhlambe umzalo nengane ukuthi mhlambe sesimene isicishe esifana nelesandlula kuso. Bakhona ukusizakala. Ama number wami is 073 504 6625 073 504 6625.
Muridi James Luka Sifuba Chesterfield Siavala, but now because it's Christmas, I would like for you to lead us with the word of prayer as we are wrapping and we are moving now into another dimension. uNkulunkulu asokwazi usigcinela bonke labantu abasemakhaya. We are going to close this episode ngendlela different on a high note as we bow our heads in studio as Brother James lead us with a short prayer.
Singakhuleka baba siyabonga ngegama lenkosi yethu Jesu moya engcwele uthembakele namhlanje sasekhona sathembakele siyabonga umusa ongaka siyabonga ukuhamba nathi siyabonga ukusigcina kuze kube la sithi moya engcwele mawufinyelela kubo bonke mfethu ubagcina abafethu abadinga usizo abafethu abadinga wena ukuthi ubahambele phambili ngoba sihlangabezana nezinkinga ezithize ezihlukahlukene sithi makube amandla kubonakalisa ubukhona bakho ukuthi wena usaseNkulunkulu namhlanje usabusa empilweni zethu sithi sigcine nemideni yethu njengoba sesizongena esikhathini esibhizi kakhulu mawube nathi wena Jehova ngoba wena washo wathi awubalahla bakho wena uhamba usigcina njalo sithi makubonakala ubukhulu bakho makube wena uNkulunkulu ophakamayo ungaphakama izimo zethu ungaphakama thina but ukuphakame imisebenzi yakho empilweni zethu ngegama lenkosi yethu Jesu sithi busisa na kule ndawo sikuyo ngoba uNkulunkulu wayenza ngepurpose this place for ukuthi ibonakalise imisebenzi yakho ngoba wena Jehova umlahla umuntu kepha wena uNkulunkulu uyamlungisa umuntu sithi makubonakaliswe Jehova ubukhulu bakho empilweni zethu makungagcini kithi kuphela makufinyelele kwabanye umoya engcwele kubonakala amandla wakho ngegama lenkosi yethu Jesu sithi makubuse wena Jesu kuze unaphakade amen
Amen and amen.
Wow siyabonga